Today, we are talking all about how our feet can either pronate or supinate and the difference between having a nicely winged foot versus sickling. I'm recording this barefoot so you can see a little bit better definition in my feet. So when we pronate, we tend to roll in at the ankle and our feet tend to curve in. So our little toes often will rise off the ground if we're not careful, and it doesn't give us equal weight distribution throughout our feet. To give you a profile view, again, it would roll in, and sometimes that's accompanied by the outer toes lifting. Supinating is the opposite. So this is when we tend to roll out towards our little toes and the outer edge of our feet. And again, sometimes our big toe can leave the ground and our weight is not evenly distributed. To give you a side view, we tend to lift up a little too much there and it's not balanced. When we talk about being sickled or winged, now we're talking about if our foot is curving out or creating a nice even line. In a turned out position, we can either be forward or back. So again, to give you a side view, you would have pointed or sickled. This again is the better placement for your foot. So you have a nice winged ankle and out through the middle of your foot. This is also said for when we're extended. So our tendus should be pointed out and lifted. We should never be sickling, we should never be supinating or pronating. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we talk about knuckling over and clenching our toes. I will see you then.